I'm gonna do a quick video here. I got my new toy. It's an AirLift. They're here on my 2020 Toyota Tundra. I'll be hauling some things that have my back end of my truck to squat. So with this AirLift, you got a minimum of 5 and the maximum of 100. But it's the AirLift 5000 for my Toyota Tundra 2020 4-wheel drive. So I'm gonna show you a quick look here. I got, if you can see down here, I got 2 of these airbags, one on this side and one on the other side. But when I familiarize myself, I'm gonna show you more details. I'm gonna get on the bottom and show you all the wiring and the hoses and everything. But I had to get this done quickly. So this is my remote. It's all wireless. And I'm gonna go to the back and show you what we got. So I'm gonna take my tape measure out and I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna bring it up to about 30 and I'm gonna let you see how far it lifted. So I'm gonna get my tape measure. I'm gonna pause this for a second and get the tape measure ready. Okay, here we go. I got my tape measure ready. As you can see, we're just gonna go here off the top where you see 19 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my remote and I'm gonna just bring it up to about 30. So you just push it one time and you can hold it. So we're gonna just bring it up to 30. And once I get to 30, it's gonna activate the air compressor. As you can see, it activated the air compressor. And you see this raising up, it was at 19. You see right now, it went to 20. So I'm gonna bring it up to 60. Let's try 60. Let's go 40. And as you can see, it's going on up. Oh, wow. It unlifted. We're at 20, 21. So we're right at 21. Like I said, you can go all the way up to like 100. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this and we're gonna lower it. So it's at 40. So only thing I have to do is push this and bring it back down to 5. 5 is the minimum. So you can hold it until it get to 5. You're gonna hear that air compressor kick in. It's gonna let the air out. You hear that? And as you can see, this is going down. You see how it's lowering the back end of my truck? So it's back at 19. So that's how this works. So I'm gonna learn how to program it. You could download an app to where you could run everything off of your phone. And that's it. So like I said, we got it at 5. Let's bring it up. Bring it up to 20. You're gonna hear it kick in, 22. Watch, you hear that? And it's actually raising it. As you can see, it's raising. And once it, look at that, 20. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back down to 5. We're gonna see the air compressor gonna kick in and let the air out. And as you can see, how it's lowering it. You see that? All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.